Hey there, Algebra. Today we're going to do a quick little lesson on writing equations. This is the first lesson in Chapter 2, and it is a cinch. Okay? You learned this stuff in baby school probably. Writing equations, basically they're just asking you to turn, oftentimes it'll be a story problem, and you're going to turn that into mathematical lingo. I don't want to write out the whole story problem, but let's say there was something like the area of a triangle, area of a triangle is 1/2, oh, they would probably write that out, my bad. Of the base, no, 1/2 of the, again, sorry, product of the base and the height. Okay? Let's say that was your story problem. So all they're going to ask you to do is basically turn this into mathematical symbols. When it says the area, we're usually going to abbreviate, and usually you're just going to use a variable and use a variable that stands for the thing you're talking about. So A would probably be a good choice. Okay? The area of a triangle is, okay? What's that? We learned in Chapter 1 is means equal. It equals 1/2 of the product. Okay, so there's going to be something multiplied together, and it's 1/2 of. This word of means multiplied. So I'm going to have 1/2, and then of, that'll help me kind of separate it out. The product of, so again, another multiplication. The base and means addition. Okay, sorry, and doesn't always mean addition. But it's the two things together, I guess. Okay? So the product of the base and the height. So it's going to be the base, the product of the two, times the height, and it's 1/2 of that. Okay. I stumbled around a little bit there, but I hope you get the idea. You're turning things that are English words, and you're turning them into mathematical formulas. Story problems, I got to give you one more other hint. Story problems, often the last thing that they say in the story problem is going to be your unknown. That's the thing you don't know, and that'll be the variable. They'll give you this whole story problem, you know, we're going to Spokane for Hoop Fest, and we're driving at 50 miles an hour, and then the very last thing is, and how far is it to Spokane? Okay? So when you read a story problem, skip ahead, and the last part pay strict attention to, because that's usually going to be your unknown, and then you can work the problem from there. Okay.